Welcome. If you've ever muted someone's posts on Instagram but now want to see their updates again, today's guide will walk you through the newest way to unmute an account's posts using the Instagram app on your PC. The latest update makes this process fast and straightforward. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and have the latest version installed so you have access to all updated features. Next, find the account you want to unmute. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of your feed to type in their username. Once you see their profile in the results, click on it to open their full profile page. Once you're on their profile page, look just below their bio and profile picture for the button labeled Following. Click on this button to open a menu with several options. In the menu that appears, look for the option called Mute, and click it. This is where Instagram lets you control what content you see from this person. Here you'll notice toggles for posts and stories. If their posts toggle is switched on, that means you currently have their posts muted. To unmute their posts, simply remove the check or switch off the toggle next to Posts. Once you've made your changes, make sure to click Save so your new settings are applied. You'll now be able to see all future posts from this account in your feed as usual. It's really that simple. By following these quick steps, you can easily reconnect with the content you've been missing from friends, creators, or anyone whose updates you want back in your feed. Whether you changed your mind or just want to catch up, Instagram's new update makes it easier than ever. Thanks for tuning in. Now go enjoy those fresh updates from your favorite accounts.